Got them in a new setup today, 2010. Hope you can see them a whole lot better now. It's my big male, our yellow giant. He's looking at us. Got the babies up at the top now. I will put them at the bottom later. On this side, the females that are still laying. Want them separate from the males. I think in this tank is Tigger Blush Nana, and one of my girls from the first hatchings that she's not breeding yet. And the real little bitty babies are, well, the next stage up is in there somewhere. Also put the beardies in a different tank. They seem to like that better. It's a big, like a 22, 23, something like that tank. And what else I got? Oh, they hiding or sleeping down there. I'm just taking a picture right now. They're my crusty babies that I found after they are both girls. There's one there. That's a Harlequin. Kind of a dark one, and the other one is extreme Harlequin, but she's like a yellow type mustard, so I call her Little Mustard. And in the dark tank is the big male. You don't play around, brother. Got another one sitting right there, and two mummies up there. And also we have eggs, and are looking for more. They're on the way. So that's it of my new tank setup. So I will post new pictures and new movies later. Let's see if you can see these guys. No, they're hiding. Well, alright, that's that. Later.